Welcome to our information presentation on Northern Regional Colleges offering in foundation degrees in engineering. This presentation also covers information on our higher level apprenticeships which we offer in the engineering provision at Northern Regional College. Number of points of contact. So in regards to any full-time queries for our engineering programs, please contact Mrs. Carla Kosh. For any queries relating to our part-time provision, please contact Mr. Mark McGinty, and should you have any queries relating to our higher level apprenticeships in engineering, please contact Mr. Ian Craig. As part of your studies at Northern Regional College in engineering, we offer our students both applications in the classroom from an analytical and scientific point of view, looking at basic engineering and advanced engineering principles, as well as practical application in the workshop throughout your time at the Northern Regional College in regards to your foundation degree. Part of the study period, we also offer work placements, which are part of one of your final year modules in regards to work-based learning, where you will get the opportunity to spend time in industry working on a live project within an engineering company. Entry requirements. Should you have more queries, please look at the Northern Regional College website, but on the screen we have a summary for our full-time courses. This is a 2-year period of study. Entry requirements are 64 UCAS points. These points can come from studying A levels, studying an extended diploma, or studying a BTEC Level 3 diploma. The course itself is a 2-year period of study following 2 semesters. Each semester consists of 15 weeks, where at middle of September to January is semester 1, then there will be a period of exams for 2 weeks, and then semester 2 commences in February and runs to May and ends with a period of exams at that period at that time. The approximate cost for doing a foundation degree in engineering at Northern Regional College is £2,500, and this can be funded by student loans. Part-time study, this is a 3-year program, which because if it's 1 day per week. Entry is 56 UCAS points, and again this can be achieved by A levels, BTEC extended diplomas, or BTEC diplomas. But should you have other qualifications which you think may meet entry requirements, then please contact the relevant course coordinator with your qualifications. As I said, this is 2 semesters per year over the period of 3 years, and in your final year you will work on a work-based learning module just like the full-time students. The cost for the part-time study is currently £628 per academic year. Our higher level apprenticeship offering in engineering has certain criteria which have to be met, so you must be employed in a suitable role. You can do your higher level apprenticeship in either mechanical manufacturing engineering or in electrical electronic engineering. Whilst you're doing your high level apprenticeship with the company, you also then study your foundation degree at Northern Regional College. All tuition fees and registration fees are paid for by the Department of the Economy, and as part of this higher level apprenticeship you will receive regular visits from your training support officer as part of your higher level apprenticeship. Should you have more information or want more information in relation to this, please contact Mr. Ian Craig, whose details were on the first slide of this presentation. Other forms of funding are available for full-time students. In regards to mature students, possibly, where we have maintenance grants, tuition fees, maintenance loans, childcare costs, or any other means of funding which you may be entitled to. For information relating to these, please go to the northerniredirect.gov.uk website. Opportunities within the foundation degree full-time. We have had a number of students over the past years that have taken up a Study USA program where they get the opportunity to go to take a year out and go and spend that year in the States, where they are linked to a university in the States where they do a period of study and they do a number of units as well as experience a different lifestyle and a different country over the period of that year. And again, so as I said, our foundation degree is your Study USA application is made in the first year, and then you spend 10 months of the next year in the USA. All fees are paid for. So now some information on our course content. This course content may change slightly in regards to modules being moved, but this is fundamentally our full-time provision across the two programs. So on the left we have mechanical manufacturing, and on the right we have electrical electronics. And you will see that there is some similarities as you go through, but you'll also see in the mechanical manufacturing provision, then as we move through the program, then we start to do more modules relating to the mechanical manufacturing aspect of engineering, such as engineering CAD, CAD-CAM, energy and maintenance systems. On the right side, we have our electrical electronic program, where we do obviously more specific modules relating to those programming techniques, electronic applications, and microprocessors. All of these subjects are very much linked with the requirements within industry, and in a lot of cases are also using up-to-date software and hardware as part of our provision at Northern Regional College. The part-time provision is the same modules, just spread over 3 years. So you'll see the exact same modules from a mechanical manufacturing and from an electrical electronic. And on the right, you will see the levels. So the first 6 modules you do are level 4s, then that's followed up with a series of level 5 modules. What happens once you finish your foundation degree? Foundation degrees allow you to move into year 2 of following University of Ulster degree programs. Mechanical engineering, BA Eng Honours in electronic engineering, BA Eng Honours in mechatronics engineering, and BA Eng Honours in engineering management. There are certain criteria that have to be met in regards to your final grade, your final percentage, as well as applications and certain grades relating to maths and engineering science. These details will be explained at the start of the year. There's also, because you've already completed a work-based learning module, should you move on to university and they have a year out, your work-based learning module allows you not to have to take that year out. So at the bottom of the screen you can see you have 2 years of foundation degree plus 2 years of top-up at University of Ulster will get you to your degree, so 4 years, and that's versus 3 years of a BA Eng Honours study at University of Ulster plus 1 year of placement. So the time frame from start to finish is the same. Northern Regional College, proud to offer a range of industrial level equipment which our foundation degree students will have access to. Things like in our mechatronics labs, PLCs programming, use of microcontrollers such as Arduinos, and also using and looking at AC and DC electrical machines. Students will get access to industrial level robotic systems, computer-aided manufacturing systems, both in machining and in fabrication. As part of our industrial partnerships and higher level apprenticeship employers, you can see from this screen that we work with a wide spectrum of companies throughout the Northern Ireland province. What happens next? So this is an information session. We hope that you have already registered on our application portal, and then you will receive information relating to an interview session as we approach the start of the academic year. Should you have any more information, please look at and go to the Northern Regional College website for additional information. Thank you very much for your application, and thank you very much for taking time to listen to this presentation. Should you have any queries, please click on the link below or go to the Northern Regional website.